These are some useful tips to build modern websites. Let's go. Number 1 is to stop wasting time to create a theme of your own. If you're not a website designer, don't try to be one. Just go online and find the one that inspires you. Search on Google for literally any query like website templates orange and gray, and you will find tons of website templates over there. Just choose the one that you like and carry on building your application. The second tip is to use UI libraries or UI kit. There are libraries for almost all JavaScript frameworks. Just search your framework's component library and pick one. You should spend more time solving real-world problems rather than the collapsible navigation menu. Next up is to use good readable fonts, and they are free. Just head over to Google Fonts and search for your favorite font. Then play with the sizing and the font weight to match your style. If you like another website's font, then you can just inspect the website and search for the font online. Most of the times these are free. The next one is to use good quality images. Moreover, use SVGs when possible. These are lightweight and they do not bloat your website. Free images can be found on pexels.com or unsplash.com, and SVG graphics can be found on svgrepo.com for free. The last one, and another important one, is to use animations and CSS effects in your website. You can go on and use CSS for some beginner level stuff, but you will really up your game when you use JavaScript animations. And there are some popular animation JavaScript frameworks online that can help you do that, such as Anime.js or GSAP.com. Just don't over animate your website, otherwise it'll look very unprofessional. I will have the links of all the websites discussed in the description of this video. Comment below which one would you use in the next project. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.